Hello everyone and welcome. This video I'm going to walk you through how to edit caller ID options. Now on Viber, let's say you've already set or turn on caller ID, but you want to edit the options or the settings. What do? First thing you do is open up your Viber app, tap on more, and tap on settings. The next thing you're going to do is tap on calls and messages, and you can see caller ID. The first one, tap on it. You can see it's turned on. Now you have the options to edit. For show for calls from contacts. You can decide to choose whether it is on. You can decide to allow Viber to recognize caller names and show spam alerts for incoming calls and outgoing calls. If you really want for incoming calls, you can turn off outgoing calls. You can turn both of them off. You can turn both of them on. Depends on you. Tap on done. Same thing for calls for non-contact. Choose the one you want and tap on done. Then you can also include cellular calls in recent tabs. If you want Viber to see, if you want to see your cellular calls recognized by caller ID in your tab, in your recent tabs, you turn it on. If you don't want to see that, turn it off. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.